Facebook, YouTube, Twitter. Got my new refrigerator. Yeah, I done put some chicken in it already. Yeah, so got my new fridge. Boom, bam. I'm getting rid of my old one. I got 3 refrigerators right now. This one, neighbor left. You know what I'm saying? They remodeling, so I got rid of that one. This is my old one. I've had this one for like 10 years. It's my old joint. It still works. It just doesn't work as good as I want it to. And I was like, all right, well, I brought it with me. So I was like, yo, I need a new refrigerator. So being that I already brought this refrigerator with me, I never, like the refrigerators that they had here at the apartments, I never asked for a new one. I just said, no, I don't need one. But I'm getting rid of this one. I'm going to keep. But it works. You can see. Stuff is still frozen. Works pretty good. And somebody's going to want it. Somebody will want it. My ice packs. Somebody will want it. And I got another one down there. Refrigerator Raider. Anyway, so this is my new refrigerator. That's my old one. I went shopping the other day. Whoop, whoop. I don't know what this is, some type of gravy or something. I don't know. And there's this. So boom, bam. It's pretty okay. Boom, bam, boom, bam, bam, boom, bam. Bam, bam, boom, bam, boom, boom, bam, bam. So, yeah. Put my stuff up there. Anyway, it's not like I can wait. Here's the lower part. I'm a refrigerator. Refrigerator. Somebody transferring all that. It's my new stove, too. Ooh, ooh. But look at that. Nice and clean. Brand new. I don't know how much a new refrigerator costs. Or like how much this unit cost. I'd like to know that. These days I might go back and I already did Okay, so the setup is different here. Alright. It's got a little pasta in it. Little pasta. It's got a different little you got feng shui. I got a feng shui stuff in there. I'm gonna end up taking that out. Some sausages. Gotta have that water. Keep hydrated. Boom, bap. Yeah, so it's nice and clean. Couple compartments. Put my vegetation down here. Vegetation. Here. Got some eggs. Now, I really don't keep eggs. Like, you don't need to keep eggs in the refrigerator. I don't know how many of y'all know that. You ever watch that show, Two Fat Ladies? Doesn't come on anymore. They were doing a cooking show because one of them died. Put my Appalachians, my apple joints down there. Time is gonna run out on me. My OJ, gotta have that OJ. Okay. Condiments. Got some condiment action. As you can see, this refrigerator is still popping off, but the calibrations ain't right in it. And so I said, you know what? Calibrations. Gotta have some carrots popping. Turkey bacon, turkey bacon, turkey bacon. And the rest of the stuff is getting thrown away. I still got some crispy crunch here. Neighbor sold me. Neighbor's kids come by and sell candy bars. And I'm gonna clean this one out and I'm gonna sell it because it still works. It just, you know, I'm gonna clean it out and sell it. But here's my new fridge. And y'all nosy. Go.